Hey guys, how's it going? It's the Crypto Analyst here. I hope all of you guys are having a good morning, evening, wherever you guys are from. And today I have some huge cryptocurrency news that has just come out for you guys. We're going to be talking about why the market's down and how this could get a whole lot worse in the very near future and what you guys can expect to happen as a series of events unfold. So if you guys are interested in anything I just said, please make sure you guys stay around for the entire length of the video, as there will be important information discussed the entire way through. Also guys, you do not forget to like and subscribe, as it really does help the channel and helps me put out videos like this one. Keep in mind, everybody, I am very bullish on all cryptocurrencies, and I am a huge supporter, as I own a lot myself, so it's nothing like me trying to bash cryptocurrency. This is just the honest viewpoint of me giving you guys the truth. I am going to continue to hold my cryptocurrency. I'm not going to sell any of it, but this is what is going to happen. So, with that being said, Mt. Gox trustee rather has sold $400 million in Bitcoin and Bitcoin Cash. This is significant because a couple of years back, I believe, Mt. Gox got 200,000 Bitcoin. That's worth around, I believe, $1.7 billion right now. And so they got themselves financially in trouble, and they got into a series of really harsh lawsuits where it kind of ran them financially dry. So they're not doing this because they hate the crypto market. They're doing this because they simply need money. And that's my understanding of the situation. So they really need money, and so they're just periodically selling off all their Bitcoin and all their Bitcoin Cash because it's simply at a very high price right now, and so they can make a lot of money off of it. And so the problem here is, if the market crashed so hard off 400 million Bitcoin and Bitcoin Cash being sold, what's going to happen when they sell the remaining 1.3? Because they've only sold 400 million. What's going to happen when they sell the last 1.3 billion? So if the market is crashed, I believe it was like $2,500, $3,000, or excuse me, or if Bitcoin crashed $2,500 to $3,000, and the whole market crashed over $100 billion, what's going to happen when they sell the remaining $1.3 billion in Bitcoin? They are planning, from my understanding, to sell off all of the rest of their Bitcoin and Bitcoin Cash reserves. And the problem with this wouldn't normally be as big of a problem, because usually large sums of money like this and large sums of Bitcoin and Bitcoin Cash are sold in privately held meetings, sellings, and auctions, but they are selling them on exchanges. This is horrible for exchanges because they are simply cashing. Not only does this kill excuse me, not only does this kill the volume, but this makes the exchanges look like they're completely going into the ground. Exchanges are not meant to pull out billions, which is almost $2 billion, in a short period of time. So the problem with this is, not only do the charts look horrible, the exchange looks like they're going out of business, and the coins are just getting torn apart as a result. This is done in kind of a sloppy manner. When they're selling on exchanges like this, it's very sloppy of them. And if they continue to sell the $1.3 billion that they have worth of Bitcoin and Bitcoin Cash on exchanges, it's very possible that we see Bitcoin going to maybe $1,000 or $2,000. And as scary as that is to say, that's the truth. If they've only sold 400 million and we crashed a couple thousand, guys, if they sell the last 1.3 billion, then we're in for a very hard road, and it's very possible that we see a $1,000 Bitcoin. I don't want to cause a massive panic. I just want to make sure you guys stay informed, and I hope you guys are connecting the dots and seeing the logic here, and that this isn't me just pumping out fear and FOMO and all that. And so, or excuse me, FUD, not FOMO. But yeah, it's a scary thought, because if that much Bitcoin leaves the market, you guys can only expect that everything follows Bitcoin. A lot of these coins have been having really good news, but they're following Bitcoin. So Bitcoin's going down because of this whole situation. Everything else is going to follow it. I hope this made sense, guys. There's not too much to cover on the issue, but it's very sloppy that Mt. Gox isn't doing an amount this big. I don't think this has ever happened before, because most people realize that if you have a large sum of money, you simply don't just sell it off to exchanges, because it does stuff like this, and it's generally sloppy and problematic. but it appears that Mt. Gox, you know, doesn't care, so they are going to go through with it anyway. So yeah, I believe in 2014 they collected 200,000 Bitcoin, and now they plan to sell all of it off. So yeah, we're gonna have to see where this one goes. Again, guys, I'm a huge supporter of cryptocurrency myself. That's why I have a channel named The Crypto Analyst. But I want to make sure that you guys stay informed with the truth here, and I want to make sure that you guys know what's happening and that you guys can make a decision based off what's happening here. I'm personally holding all my crypto. I'm not going to sell yet. If I do, I will make sure to either put a YouTube video out about it, but I want to see how this unfolds a little bit, because the market has recovered a little bit since this whole situation has started. And we are not down nearly as much as yesterday. We were down around 15% for almost every coin, but things have recovered a little bit. So we see this, like, you know, this little upwards pattern where we hit rock bottom, but we're gonna have to see where this goes. We're back in that trend line that I talked about, so things look like they're going to go worse, but it's possible that, you know, we break out. Anyway, I hope you guys did enjoy this video. I hope this video was informative and made sense. As always, if you guys have any questions or video topics that you guys want me to do a video on, leave those in the description below. Or you guys can actually log into my Discord channel that is in the description below, and you guys can actually join there and talk to me about anything, and that is the fastest way to get a response for questions. Guys, do not forget to like and subscribe, as it really does help support the channel and helps me put more videos out every day. But that is going to go ahead and bring this video to an end. Thank you guys so much for watching once again and all the support. You guys have been absolutely nuts lately, as I believe I just hit almost 250 subscribers, which is crazy, and all my videos have been getting tons of likes, which is awesome, and I thank you guys so much for that. And my view count has gone up dramatically, so thank you guys once again so much. The support you guys have is actually insane, and you guys are killing it, and you guys are the ones who make all this happen. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in the next video.